Hey creators, welcome back. If you're seeing a YouTube invalid traffic warning, sudden revenue drops, or ads being limited, this is serious. Invalid traffic is one of the main reasons channels lose monetization in 2026. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand what invalid traffic means. Invalid traffic is when YouTube detects fake, low quality, or artificial views on your videos. These views don't come from real, normal viewers. It can include bot views, click farms, auto-refresh traffic, or people repeatedly clicking ads. Even if you didn't do it intentionally, your channel is still responsible. Step 2. Check for suspicious traffic sources. Go to YouTube Studio, Analytics, Advanced Mode, Traffic Source. Look for strange spikes from unknown external websites, random countries unrelated to your audience, direct or unknown sources with high bounce rates. These are red flags. Step 3. Stop all paid promotions immediately. If you used cheap promotion services, traffic exchange sites, or boost views tools, stop now. Many of these send bot traffic that triggers invalid activity detection. Only use trusted ads platforms like Google Ads and target real audiences. Step 4. Avoid asking viewers to click ads. Never say things like, "Click the ads to support the channel." This is strictly against policy and can flag your account instantly. Step 5. Watch for embed abuse. If your video is embedded on suspicious sites that autoplay in the background, it can generate invalid views. Search your video title on Google and see where it's embedded. Step 6. Improve audience quality signals. YouTube trusts channels with good watch time. Real engagement, consistent returning viewers. Focus on strong content, not quick traffic tricks. Step 7. Wait and stabilize. If ads were limited, it may take weeks for systems to reevaluate your traffic. Don't upload aggressively or experiment with risky methods during this period. Invalid traffic isn't about views. It's about where those views come from. Clean traffic equals stable revenue. Fix the source, stay organic, and your monetization health can recover. See you in the next guide.